Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Americana. In today's video you're gonna be learning how to make turmeric powder from fresh turmeric rhizomes. Keep watching. So guys, thank you so much for watching that wonderful video. In following the steps I gave, making turmeric powder at home is very easy. Turmeric on its own, apart from being used as spice in foods, have a lot of health benefits, and also it could be used as dye, and also could be used in traditional occasions, which is mostly done by the Indians. I guess this will be all for today. I'll see you in my next upload. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and hit the notification bell icon to get notified when I upload. Bye.